Hello everyone, let's look at our next problem. K digits are to be chosen at random with repetitions allowed from the set 0 to 9. What is the probability that 0 will not be chosen? Okay. So of K digits. So the probability of not choosing 0 on a single draw. How do I want to write this? Well, I'll write the whole thing. The probability of no 0 in K draws doesn't specify, but I'm assuming the draws are independent and uniform. This is going to be the probability of no 0 in one draw raised to the power of K by independence. So this is, there are 9 digits out of the 10 which are not equal to 0. So the probability of not drawing a 0 is 9 out of 10. We raise that to the K. Is that one of the options? Yeah, it is. So, pretty straightforward probability, just testing about, whether you understand how independence of events kind of works and combines with, breaking up an event into independent events, I guess. Yeah, if I have more to say about this one, I'll put it down in the description. Otherwise, thanks for watching.